Okay, the mess, that's the sky. People think something this wide would be a contrail. It's not a contrail. You can see how heavy it is everywhere. Then you can see something like this running through the exact space that is blue. My little orgone hole. And you know, it's obvious they direct these planes to come through the blue areas. There's no plane path that way. The planes fly right through back here. And just when it becomes blue, you see a plane come. It's because they can spray this stuff and they can read it from a satellite and see what areas need filling in. You can see how thick this trail is. It's not losing an inch of mass to it. You can see how sprayed out everywhere else is. You can see trail running through here. So people think contrails fill the sky, not even making a mist, just a total white, thick haze from contrails. Sure. You know, this is not the time to keep playing around, people. Yeah. There's a plane here. He's not going the same path as that contrail. See, that trail was made just for that spot there. You can see he almost just hit this plane here. And it's just a mess, whatever's going on up there. It's as a mess as what's going on down on the ground of the planet. Nuclear leaking in 2-3 different states. Lead found in at least 4 or 5 states in the water. You know. But people don't want to admit to anything. They just want to go about watching basketball and football and baseball and movies and iPhones and all that good stuff. Meanwhile, this is what you're breathing. Some people try and grow plants in this mess here. Most people don't care to grow anything, so they could really care less. As long as there's something on the supermarket shelves, GMO, they could really care less what it is, as long as it looks okay and it looks edible. It's quite sad. Quite sad. This trail is still not losing an inch of mass. The ice crystals amazingly don't melt anymore. You can see how heavy this is. Heavy, heavy, heavy. That's contrails. Folks been listening to too much metabunk. Even this guy here knows that that's not a contrail. And he's looking for a peanut right now. Trail just so happens to hit the one patch of sky that's all blue. Just coincidentally. You can see more trails way out here until that spreads and makes the rest of it all white. You know, come on, people. Come on, people. See, this guy's way up there. No trail. No trail. And that's it. A lot of times you won't even see the trails. Out here in Florida, they drop this stuff over the Gulf of Mexico and it just rolls in. Just like California, they drop it out in the Pacific and it rolls in. If you're out in Kentucky or the middle of the country, you get bombed out because they don't have an ocean to drop it over. Just coincidentally, this hits right where it's blue. Total contrail mist everywhere. Yeah. Amazing. Totally amazing. The sun is bombed out. And not one other plane is leaving this because they got enough up there. It's funny how in the morning you'll see these planes dropping these lines, and then it stops all of a sudden once they have coverage, and then it returns later in the day when it fades out and they need more coverage. You know, come on. Come on, people.